Hi everyone. If you want to know everything about the 2019 novel coronavirus, then you can see my previous video. The link is mentioned up here. In this video, I am going to give you all the necessary information about the disease COVID-19, which is caused by the 2019 novel coronavirus. So from our previous video, we learned that bats are pretty much the primary animal reservoir for the coronaviruses. According to the doctors, this actual virus underwent mutation by the process of zoonosis and got transferred to the pangolins as their intermediate host and mutated enough that it can now infect humans. The term mutation here means that the ability of the virus to develop a new form or structure. In simple language, it means the coronavirus that infect animals before can now evolve and become a new coronavirus that it can now infect humans. So the virus got transmitted from pangolins to humans because pangolin scales have known to be healing properties. So that's why it is trafficked all around the world. On February 11, 2020, the World Health Organization named the disease as COVID-19. It is an infectious disease caused by the 2019 novel coronavirus. The term COVID-19 is the short form for Coronavirus Disease 2019. So by March 11, COVID-19 was declared a pandemic. A pandemic is basically the global outbreak of a disease that is something which is not to be taken lightly. As of April 2020, COVID-19 has infected around 2 lakh people worldwide and having a mortality rate at 3%. The mortality rate here means that for every 100 cases, 3 people may die. The incubation period for the COVID-19 disease is 14 days. It is the time when someone gets infected and they start showing symptoms, and that could be as long as 2 to 14 days. And there are a lot of people who are asymptomatic with this virus, which means they are not presenting the classic symptoms that we would see with the coronavirus. So they might not go to the hospital and get tested. So technically, if we think about it, there will be numerous amount of cases where people are just asymptomatic. They just thought they had common cold or flu, but they actually got infected by the SARS coronavirus too. And these people also have ability to spread the virus among others. Let us now talk about the R0 of the COVID-19 disease. R0 stands for degree of spreadability. The simple way to understand it that how many people can one person infect? The doctor says that an infected person can infect 2 to 3 people around him. Let us now understand it by an example. So one person can infect 3 people. Now these 3 people are going to infect 3 people each, which gives us 9 patients. And now these 9 patients are going to infect 3 people each, which gives us 27 patients. And the cycle continues. From this we know that COVID-19 has a much larger spreadability rate as compared to SARS and MERS. Scientists believe that there are 2 ways of spreading of this virus, by fecal oral route and through respiratory droplets. Virus can pass from person to person by coughing or sneezing. One cough contains around 3000 droplets that can spread up to 3 to 6 feet. The virus can travel up to 4.5 meters and it can survive at 37 degrees Celsius and 98 degrees Fahrenheit. If you get smacked in the face by someone cough, you get direct transmission of the virus.
Game over.
If you want more awesome facts through animation, then please comment the topics for the future videos. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, then please subscribe the channel. Till then, be safe and follow the lockdown strictly.